friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment and hit the bell icon. Make black eye peas, lobia, bora curry. Following are the ingredients. I'll be using curry powder, turmeric powder, black mustard seed, curry leaves, cumin, salt and some chili powder. As for the spoon, I'm using canned black eye peas and I've washed and dried it. I've got onion, tomato, cilantro, ginger garlic paste and ghee. I'm gonna fry onions, cumin seed, black mustard seed and salt together in ghee. Remember, I'm using the canned black eye peas or bora, so it's gonna be pre-cooked or soft already. Once my onion turns a little brown, I'm going to also add tomatoes to that. I'm cooking all the ingredients in ghee. Now you can see I've added the tomatoes. I'm going to cook it until it's softened before I will add my lobia or black eye peas, or you can say bora. I'm now adding ginger garlic paste. You can use the fresh cut ones. I'm not doing that because I have a child and if she sees it, she won't eat. It's just one of the mummy tricks. So now I'm adding the bora or black eye peas. Now I'm adding curry powder. You can see the turmeric powder, and the quantity of turmeric powder is very less than compared to curry masala. When you're doing Indian dishes, make sure turmeric powder and curry masala quantities are not same, otherwise the taste will be awful. So now I'm gonna fry them very nicely before I will add water to it and reduce the sauce, as I prefer it to be dry. I'm adding chili powder. You can see the quantity that I'm showing you right now. Salt depends on your taste. If you want, you can add carrot. These are optional, but for traditional method, this is how you cook. Now you can see bora has been nicely fried. I'm going to add a little bit of water to it. Cover it with lid and I'm gonna cook it until the sauce reduces. As I will be serving it with roti. So now you can see that the dish has finally cooked, and now I'm adding the last ingredients, which is cilantro. And bora and black eye peas is now ready. Here's a glimpse of my meal for that particular day.